Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Marcus by Goldman Sachs for high yield savings first step by step clearly. Start by opening the App Store on your mobile device. If you're using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. For Android users, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Select the app from the search results. Tap on the Install button to download the application. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open the Marcus app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Look for the option to create account or sign up. Tap on it to begin the registration process. Provide your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and confirm it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. Fill in your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Make sure all information is accurate. After entering your details, you may need to answer security questions. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Review the terms and conditions carefully. If you agree, check the box confirming your acceptance. Proceed by tapping the Next button. You might receive a verification code via email or SMS. Check your email or text messages for this code. Enter the verification code into the app. Once verified, you'll move on to setting up your account preferences. Choose your preferred funding method for the account. Select your bank and enter your account details. Be sure to double-check all the numbers for accuracy. Follow the prompts to complete the funding setup. Next, choose the High Yield Savings Account option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.